So is the SNAP and benefit to cover a larger portion of the nutrition needs of children so they are healthy and ready to learn. We must increase wage for working family as well, such as improving tax credit to ensure more local family benefits. We are also making sure children have access to affordable, comprehensive, and physical health care. For child health, so we protect and strengthen these critical sources of health coverage for children to ensure children continue to move forward, not backward. We want to promise of Medicare, CHIP, and ACA by ensuring every eligible child is enrolled in affordable coverage that guarantee all necessary services. Um, so child appropriate coverage should be central to all health reform proposals from their inception. We work to develop, organize, and promote innovative policy changes to ensure all children are covered. For child education, we want to eliminate the inequality distribution of resources that undetermine equal education opportunity for students, especially poor and low-income students, children of color, and children with disabilities. English language learner and children who are homeless, those who are in foster care and from juvenile detention, we are also helping them. Build support within schools so children have access to experienced teacher, a diverse teacher pipeline, and high quality programming they need to succeed. Indeed, people with low income are usually going to public school with teachers that are not really don't have a high level of education, or that the program are really low. We also try to provide new resources to expand summer and after school literacy and cultural enrichment program. So after I'm going to talk about program and activities. The first program is the Freedom School. So we empower young to excel and believe in their abilities to make the difference in themselves, their family, the community, the country, and general like the world and the hope too. So the program is basically 6 weeks summer literacy and cultural enrichment program, and it is designed to serve children young and grades until kindergarten to 12th grade in communities. So it enhances children's motivation to read and make them feel good about learning, and at the same time the program connects family to the right resources in their communities. The second program is called Beat the Odds program. So it consists of a scholarship program providing social and academic college readiness program to high school students that are working really hard to overcome the obstacles that they have in their personal lives. So in addition, the BEAT, the ODD program offers scholarships opportunity and support services to aid scholars through their college career. So including ongoing mentoring, internship placement, and career guidance. So each Beat the Odds scholar receives a scholarship to put towards their college expenses, and it's honored at the annual Beats and Odds like award gala. Okay, so after I'm gonna tell you about the line item budget. So the total expenses that include public education, media campaign, supported services, and fundraising is 20,743,100 to 26. So now I'm gonna tell you the budget justification. So first we have the salary. So the total of the salary is 147 1,600. So this comports two fields. First, the local staff, and second, the expatriate field salary. The second is the travel and transport, so that covers $7,500. After we have the housing allowance that covers a total of $11,700. After we have the program supplies, so that is $9,800, and that comports the pharmaceutical for the children health, the medical supply, the education material. So the total all of these expenses is $176,600. So that includes the salary, housing, travel, and material that Children Defense Funds need in a period of 1 year. So after, for the sustainability narrative, so this organization holds collaboration and strategic partnership with corporations, businesses, and organizations that support our commitment to advancing social justice, fighting inequities, and improving conditions for all children, especially Black and brown children who are disproportionately impacted. The first one that helps is Freddie Mac. So it supports DC Freedom School serving students living Ward 7. So basically, the employee of Freddie Mac participate in activities that engage students, critical thinking, and life skill development. The other one is the South Carolina Department of Education. That basically they help 11th grade students in Bennett, Steele, and Marlborough County. So that is in Washington, D.C. The other one is the Dollar General Literacy Foundation that support and helped increase the number of Freedom School program operated, as well as the number of students served. We also have ACRIS that donate 50% of sales to the Children Defense Fund. Next, I'm going to talk about stakeholder. So we have the Global Fund for Children works to transform the lives of the world's most vulnerable children. So the fund provides small grant to Children Defense Funds. After, we have the UPS Foundation that focus in investment strategy around 4 pillars aligned with its corporate values and business expertise. So we have the diversity, community safety, environment, and volunteerism. We also have Children for Tomorrow. So this is a non-profit foundation with the aim of supporting children and families who have become victims of war, persecution, and other violences. So now I'm going to talk about evaluation plan. So I choose the process evaluation because of several things. First, it assesses initial and outgoing project activities. It also begins during project development and continues through implementation. It also provides new and sometimes unanticipated insight into improving the outcome of the project. And also it involves review by the principal investigator, the steering or governance committee, and have an internal evaluator in our for our organization. So I think it's the best method for our organization because we can see the progress and what we should do better, because an evaluator will review the principal period of the developments and see if there is change to make and how to make them. Thank you for your time. Bye.